Welcome back to High Tech, the ultimate destination for your daily tech fix. We've got an exciting lineup of the top 5 best airflow PC cases in 2024 that will leave you in awe. But before we dive into the tech goodness, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Let's not waste any time. Buckle up as we explore the coolest, most innovative gadgets hitting the shelves today. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below each video for easy access to purchase your favorite tech products. With modern hardware becoming more powerful, the internal parts of a PC can get very hot, especially when used for extended periods, and one of the best ways to counter that heat is to consider how the case can effectively draw in cool air and exhaust heat. A well-ventilated PC case can make a big difference between a throttled-down, noisy PC and a quiet, smoothly running PC. But with hundreds of options to choose from today, it can be overwhelming to find the best cases out there for good airflow. This guide looks at some of the best PC cases for good airflow on the market. Number 5. Cooler Master MasterBox NR600. The Cooler Master MasterBox NR600 is a sleek and versatile mid-tower PC case designed to meet the needs of modern builders seeking a balance of performance, functionality, and aesthetics. With its minimalist yet stylish exterior, the NR600 blends seamlessly into any gaming setup or workstation environment, offering a clean and understated look that doesn't compromise on cooling or customization options. One of the standout features of the MasterBox NR600 is its emphasis on airflow and thermal performance. Equipped with a mesh front panel and ample ventilation throughout the chassis, this case allows for unrestricted airflow, ensuring efficient cooling for high-performance components. The NR600 offers plenty of space and flexibility for hardware installation and cable management. With support for up to ATX-sized motherboards and spacious interior layout, this case accommodates large graphics cards, CPU coolers, and multiple storage drives with ease. The inclusion of removable dust filters and strategically placed cable routing options further simplifies the building process and helps maintain a clean and clutter-free interior. The MasterBox NR600 features a modular design with versatile storage options and tool-free installation mechanisms, making upgrades and maintenance hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a first-time enthusiast, this case offers a user-friendly experience that prioritizes convenience and ease of use. The Cooler Master MasterBox NR600 combines sleek design, efficient cooling, and ample customization options to deliver a versatile and user-friendly PC case that caters to the needs of modern builders. With its emphasis on airflow, spacious interior, and modular design, the NR600 provides the perfect foundation for building a high-performance gaming rig or workstation that looks as good as it performs. Number 4. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact PC Case. The Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact is a premium mid-tower PC case that exemplifies the perfect balance between form and function, offering a sleek and minimalist design combined with exceptional airflow and versatile features. As a compact version of the popular Meshify 2, this case delivers a smaller footprint without compromising on performance or flexibility, making it ideal for gamers, enthusiasts, and content creators alike. At the heart of the Meshify 2 Compact is its innovative airflow design, featuring a mesh front panel and optimized ventilation throughout the chassis. This allows for unrestricted airflow, ensuring efficient cooling for high-performance components and minimizing the risk of thermal throttling. The Meshify 2 Compact offers plenty of room for hardware installation and cable management. With support for up to ATX-sized motherboards and ample clearance for large graphics cards and CPU coolers, this case accommodates high-end components with ease. The inclusion of a spacious interior layout and strategically placed cable routing options makes building and maintenance a breeze, while the modular drive cages allow for versatile storage configurations to suit individual preferences. The Meshify 2 Compact features a premium build quality with tempered glass side panels and a durable steel frame, providing a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements any gaming setup or workstation environment. The tool-less design and intuitive features, such as the push-to-lock latching system and removable dust filters, further enhance the user experience, making it easy to build and maintain a clean and organized PC. Number 3. Corsair 7000D Airflow PC Case. The Corsair 7000D Airflow represents the pinnacle of PC case design, combining exceptional airflow, spacious interior, and premium features to create the ultimate foundation for high-performance gaming rigs and enthusiast builds. With its striking design and robust construction, this full-tower case is engineered to accommodate the most powerful components while providing ample room for customization and expansion. At the heart of the 7000D Airflow is its innovative airflow design, featuring a mesh front panel and optimized ventilation throughout the chassis. This allows for unrestricted airflow, ensuring efficient cooling for even the most demanding hardware configurations. The 7000D Airflow offers an expansive interior layout with ample room for hardware installation and cable management. With support for up to ITX-sized motherboards, large graphics cards, and CPU coolers up to 170mm in height, this case accommodates high-end components with ease. The inclusion of a spacious cable routing area and toolless drive bays further simplifies the building process and helps maintain a clean and clutter-free interior. The 7000D Airflow features a premium build quality with tempered glass side panels and a durable steel frame, providing a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements any gaming setup or workstation environment. The intuitive features, such as the hinged front panel and magnetic dust filters, enhance the user experience, making it easy to build and maintain a clean and organized PC. Number 2. NZXT H9 Flow PC Case. The NZXT H9 Flow PC case embodies a harmonious blend of innovative design, premium build quality, and exceptional performance, making it a standout choice for PC enthusiasts and gamers seeking the perfect foundation for their builds. With its striking aesthetic and clean lines, the H9 Flow exudes a sleek and modern appeal that complements any gaming setup or workstation environment. The standout feature of this case is its emphasis on airflow, evident in its meticulously engineered mesh front panel and optimized ventilation throughout the chassis. This allows for unrestricted airflow, ensuring efficient cooling for even the most powerful hardware configurations, while also minimizing the risk of thermal throttling and maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. The NZXT H9 Flow offers a spacious interior layout with ample room for hardware installation and cable management. With support for up to ITX-sized motherboards, large graphics cards, and CPU coolers, this case accommodates high-end components with ease, providing users with the flexibility to build their dream PC without compromise. The inclusion of toolless drive bays, a spacious cable routing area, and removable dust filters further simplify the building process and help maintain a clean and organized interior, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. The NZXT H9 Flow is built to last, with a durable steel frame and tempered glass side panels that showcase the beauty of your build while providing added durability and protection. The case also features intuitive features such as easily removable dust filters, integrated cable management systems, and customizable RGB lighting options, allowing users to personalize their setup and create a truly unique gaming experience. Number 1. Lian Li 011 Vision PC Case. The Lian Li 011 Dynamic PC case has long been regarded as a benchmark in PC case design, and the Lian Li 011 Dynamic PC case further elevates this reputation with its visionary approach to aesthetics, functionality, and customization. From its sleek, tempered glass panels to its spacious interior and innovative features, this case is a testament to Lian Li's commitment to excellence and innovation. One of the standout features of the 011 Dynamic PC case is its stunning design, which seamlessly combines form and function. With its sleek aluminum construction and tempered glass panels on both sides, this case offers a premium look and feel that instantly elevates any gaming setup or workstation environment. Moreover, the case features a modular interior layout that allows for easy customization and expansion, with support for up to ITX-sized motherboards, large graphics cards, and multiple cooling configurations. The inclusion of removable dust filters, cable management options, and toolless installation mechanisms further enhance the user experience, making it easy to build and maintain a clean and organized PC. Moreover, the case features customizable RGB lighting options, allowing users to personalize their setup and create a truly immersive gaming experience. The Lian Li 011 Dynamic PC case isn't just about looks, it's also designed with functionality in mind. The spacious interior layout provides plenty of room for hardware installation and cable management, while the innovative dual-chamber design separates the power supply and storage drives from the main components, ensuring optimal airflow and cooling efficiency. And that wraps up today's journey through the world of tech wonders on high-tech. If you enjoyed this video and discovered some must-have gadgets, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You won't want to miss our daily dive into the latest and greatest in technology.